Hello students, this is Imran. Welcome you. This is online English class. Today I am going to cover the remaining parts of the chapter The Last Spring. In the last video you have read line by line explanation, and in this video you are going to study remaining parts. So let's start from here. I sometime find a rupee, even a 10 rupee note, Sahib says, his eyes lighting up. When you can find a silver coin in a heap of garbage, you don't stop scrounging. I told you that's what's the meaning of scrounging. For there is hope of finding more. It seems that for children garbage has a meaning different from what it means to their parents. For their children, it is wrapped in wonder. For the elders, it is a means of survival. Here in this paragraph, Sahib was very happy and he said that sometimes he found a rupee and even a 10 rupee note in the dump. Just I told you. And sometimes he found a 10 rupees. As one often finds even a silver coin in the garbage, in the dump, and he kept on searching, hoping to find more. It is said that if you find something, you expect, you hope that you can get, you make it more and more. So far, he kept on searching, hoping to find more. And here, for the children, the garbage dump was a means of fulfilling their dream. Just I told us what does it mean that here? It means this is a different meaning from their parents. For children, it's a mean of fulfilling for their dreams, although partially wild for their parents. It was a means of adding survival by providing their basic food, clothing, and shelter. This is a basic need which is fulfilled this. Next, one morning, I see Sahib standing by the fence gates of neighborhood club, watching two young men dressed in white playing tennis. I like the game, he hums, content to watch it standing behind the fence. I go inside when no one is around. He admits the gatekeeper lets me use the swing. Here in this paragraph, the narrator said that one winter morning, he saw Sahib is standing by the fence here of a club, and he was watching a tennis game which was being played by two young men. Thus I say, two young men, and was in this white. Sahib liked the game, and you can say that liked the game, but he could not play because he cannot afford it. As although he was very poor. So when it would be closed, he was allowed to take swing. The gatekeeper was very kind-hearted. So he said that now when it was closed, it would be closed. जब वो खेलना बंद कर दे रहे थे, तो he was allowed to take swing by the गॉड दिया. जो गेट कीपर था वो उसको बोल दे रहा था, ठीक है जाओ खेल के आ जाओ. नेक्स्ट, साहिब too is wearing tennis shoes that took strange over the discolored shirt and short. Someone gave them to me, he says, in the manner of an explanation. The fact that they are discarded shoes of some rich boy. who perhaps refused to wear them because of a hole in one of them, does not bother him. For one who has walked barefoot, even sure with a hole is a dream come true. But the game he is watching so intently is out of his reach. Here, in this paragraph, Sahib Sahib too is wearing tennis shoes. Look is a discolored, not matching to same. Here the writer saw that the Sahib was also wearing tennis shoes. They did not look appropriate with the dress, which was worn and had faded. And he told the writer what he told the writer here, in attempt to justify himself that someone gave him the shoes. She, however, figured out that he had got them from a garbage dump. They must have been thrown away by a boy from a rich family, as he did not want to wear them anymore. Probably they had a hole or two in, due to which he did not want to wear them. जिस फट जाता है जूता, जो धनवान लोग होते हैं जूता फट जाता है तो पहनना नहीं चाहते हैं, फेंक देते हैं. जैसे हम लोग में कोई एक छेद हो जाता है फेंक दिया जाता है. बट वो गरीबों के लिए वो कभी कभी होता है कि चलो भाई उनके लिए कुछ नहीं है, तो उनके लिए सब कुछ वही होता है. भैया वही बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे, क्योंकि फेंक दिया जाता है. रिफ्यूज टू बियर हम मना कर देते हैं, फट जाता है तो. बट probably they had a hole or two in them due to which he did not want to wear. On the contrary, Sahib was not bothered. उसे कोई चिंता नहीं है कि यहाँ फटा है कि नहीं फटा है, उसे तो चाहिए बस. That's why he was not bothered by this fact. He had no problem wearing them, as he could not afford anything better than that. That's why. But he walked barefoot. नंगे पांव चलता था. And to wear a shoes even with the hole was like that. Hole was like a dream for him. Although due to the garbage dump, Sahib's dream of wearing shoes had been partially fulfilled, but his desire to play tennis would never be fulfilled. This out of reach must never he dreamed. जो out of his means जो सपने देखा, वो जो चाहता था, वो कभी पूरे होने वाले नहीं थे. क्योंकि यहाँ पे बोल रहा है, देखा कि वो टेनिस खेलते हुए देखता है. जो बच्चे शूज यूनिफॉर्म में पहने हुए हैं वो भी खेलना चाहता था, लेकिन वह उसके पहुँच से बाहर थी. लेकिन कभी कभी जो फंस जाते हैं वे दूसरों को दे दिए जाते हैं, लेकिन उसके लिए तो वही सपने पूरे होने जैसा था. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट हियर नेक्स्ट एंड लास्ट पैराग्राफ ऑफ साहिब आलम्स स्टोरी. हियर दिस मॉर्निंग Sahib is on his way to the milk booth. In his hand is a steel canister. Canister means बर्तन जिसमें चाय रखा जाता है, दिया जाता है. He said, I now work in a tea stall down the road. He says, pointing in the distance, I am paid 800 rupees and all my meals. एक सुबह जब साहब को देखता है राइटर, वो मिल्क बूथ पे होता है, जब मिला उससे देखा कि वह एक कंटेनर लिया हुआ है. कैनिस्टर मीन्स कंटेनर लिया हुआ स्टील का उसके हाथ में. तो वो बोलता है उससे कि मुझे जॉब मिल गया है. एक पॉइंट आउट करते हुए बोलता है कि मुझे जॉब मिल गया है और इसके लिए मुझे 800 रुपीज़ भी मिलते हैं और खाना भी मिलता है. He said that here, yeah, he had got a job at the nearby tea stall here, and for this he would earn 800 rupees a month and get meals 2 times. The writer asked here, what's I ask? I asked his face, does he like the job? क्या तुम्हें जॉब पसंद है? जो कर रहे हो ये जॉब तुम्हें पसंद है? I asked his face. I see he lost the carefree look. carefree look जो फ्रीडम थी, मैंने देखा कि वो पूरी तरह से फ्रीडम उसकी गायब हो गई है. The steel canister seems heavier than the plastic bag. This is here symbolic and ironical, you can tell that. या जो बैग लिया था कूड़ा करकट का, उससे ज़्यादा वो उसका जो कैनिस्टर था, जो कंटेनर था, वो ज़्यादा हैवी था उस बोरे से जो कबाड़ा लेकर चलता था. Why? Because the canister belongs to the man. क्योंकि जो कंटेनर था वो उसका अपना नहीं था, वो उस आदमी का था. Who owns the tea shop? जिसका मतलब वो उस टी स्टॉल का मालिक का था. साहिब इज नो लॉन्गर हिज ओन मास्टर. नाउ कैन टेल दैट हियर कि वह अब अपने मालिक का मास्टर नहीं रहा, अपने मन का मालिक नहीं रहा, क्योंकि अब उस पर कोई और हुक्म कर रहा था, बोल रहा था कि नहीं दैट्स वी हैव टू डू दैट हियर. पहले था क्या, कम से कम फ्री था, जब मर्जी वो चल देता था गार्बेज बिन ने, जब मर्जी बंद करो, लेकिन अब चाह करके भी वो नहीं कर पा रहा था. सो दिस इज द स्टोरी अबाउट साहिब आलम. इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो विल रीड I want to drive a car. I want to drive a car means this story about the boy who belongs to Firozabad. That's name is Mukesh. So it will be the next part. I will send you. Thank you.